Niti Aayog has recently released a report titled Towards Decarbonizing Transport 2023. The report analyzes the current state of decarbonization and climate ambition in the transport sector of G20 countries. So, what is decarbonization? It is a term used for removal or reduction of CO2 output in the atmosphere. Let's look at the highlights of the report for India. India still has no overall emissions or energy targets for transport sector, despite the goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2070. India's transport sector emissions could increase 65% by 2030 and by 197% by 2050 relative to 2020 levels. A question comes to mind: why is there a need to decarbonize transport sector? Well, globally India has the third most CO2 emitting transport sector, and high dependence on fossil fuels of the transport sector leads to exploitation of fossil fuels. And finally, to meet the nationally determined contribution targets of India. Then what is stopping us? Well, the high cost involved in deployment of new technologies and charging infrastructure, and hesitancy among consumers to adopt low carbon transportation such as electric vehicles is a major challenge. Has the government taken some steps? Yes, the government has taken initiatives to decarbonize transport sector by shifting to Bharat Stage 6 emission standards. Niti Aayog has launched Forum for Decarbonizing Transport in India and FAME India scheme as a part of National Electric Mobility Mission. Please consider dropping a like and follow for more such updates.